So we're down here at Sand Hollow. We got Matt, we got Paul of Fabrats, and they're showing me how to do the Ledges Trail.
That's right, we're showing you how to do this trail we know a lot about.
None of us have ever been here. So if you don't know where I am, I'm here. And Matt and I are going to be leading the Ledges Trail at Trail Hero, and we've never done it. We're looking at these guys to try to help us out. So we got Matt and Paul both trying to help us out, hire up some local knowledge, see if they can show us where this trail is, and we are going to do the ledges. So what's the prime air down pressure?
I'm going
for Sand Hollow.
I'm going for 10.
10?
I'd like 8, but they won't stay on.
Oh yeah?
So 10 will stay on.
10's a sweet number, huh?
Yep. Seems to be.
Are we all locked and loaded now?
Locked and loaded.
Been to this trail as many times as you have.
Oh, great. I've ridden around this trail.
Here, oh, I already sent you the picture.
Yeah, I have the picture.
It comes out, I think, right here, or
We're lined up for that today.
A meeting of the minds.
so I think.
There's too many minds here to
Does that
decide.
go around the front? His mark says.
I know that they start right here.
I know that this is a starting point. I've seen this before.
All the rain.
There's a marker. Good job.
Right. I never doubted you for a
I'm
minute.
a trail guide.
I've got a million emails that I haven't read. Got a brake pad squeaking that I gotta check, but I don't mind it. Cause I got her riding on that shotgun side with that take me to the sunrise. Look inside her eyes, now we're flying. Yeah, we're flying.
Very first drop off.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting it. All the phones came out of my pockets.
There you go. All right. Turn into it, driver. Nice. That was rad. Go easy. There you go. Maybe. We'll see. Just go down easy. Maybe a shackle. Yeah, you're just barely on the shackle. Keep it straight. Got about 6 inches. You're gonna start coming off. There it is. You bounced your way down. Real easy. Back end's coming off now. Nice. So plan B's over there?
Yeah.
I haven't been here for a minute.
I've never been on this side of Sand Hollow, so I don't know where I'm at.
I think Double Sammy was the last trail I ran here.
That's hard to tell, but that's definitely narrow. Okay.
need rear steer. When Kevin went through this, that was full of sand.
Yeah.
Not even lifting anything. You're good. Nope, we're good. It's gonna roll through it. I don't feel real good about taking the big day off that. Come off this side, you're gonna be fine.
Yeah. There you go. Woo, buddy. All right. Yeah. That is.
We go from here.
That is tight. It's dragging. There it is. There it is. Keep it this way a little bit. There you go. Nice. Ooh, buddy.
It's not fun anymore. I'm having palpitations. Keep coming a little. Keep coming. Nope, back up. Keep doing that. Stop pulling. Okay, hold on. Hold on right there. Fill us a little bit. Hold up, Matt.
Shut up, Colin. Thanks.
There you go. Good job.
For what? I did nothing.
You made it.
Cause she's dancing, singing out to every song, and she's always got all of the lyrics wrong, but she don't mind it.
Very nice.
No, she's still shining. We got 10 miles of open road, blasting the radio. We got both windows down and no one around. Don't have to
What do you think so far?
I gotta say that rock crawling in a car with AC is pretty rad. I think I need a MORR-Vair, a MORR-Vair. You just drove down that on your emergency brake?
No, I was driving. I was going down it. I was on the brakes, and then all of a sudden, to the floor.
Ooh, just tighten it up. I'm gonna need some more muscle to get that shock up.
What's your hourly rate there, Colt?
Oh, it's big, but I'll let you know later.
Shoot, okay. I'll get you a horchata or something.
You can even push it down if you want.
Just some days. Yeah. Yep. Because I need it on camera. We need an explanation of how that all went down for you.
Okay, you want like how it broke too?
Yeah,
or just,
shoot. Well, what happened when you were going down the hill?
Oh, when I was going down the hill, I basically was on the brakes, and then all of a sudden the pedal hits the floor, and I'm just like, oh crap! I throw it into low, and I pull my e-brake, drop it in neutral, park, and then I was able to stop on the downhill. We were heading for that cliff. If you turn around,
Yeah, that. Which goes down a ways. You know that you're kind of my test dummy for this, because most of the vehicles we're gonna have are probably gonna be this right
so
here. Yeah,
bring a bolt kit.
Yeah, bolt kit.
Tools, real tools.
Might want to bring your shop and a lift.
Yeah. Anyway, but yeah, I'm glad nothing bad happened. I'm glad I was here with good guys to help me fix it.
That banjo bolt came loose. The stock bolts came out. I'm pretty sure you probably loosened those shock bolts up, probably on the Rubicon.
Probably, and that probably finished them off.
Yeah.
They've probably been getting worked on for some time now.
See, now I thought this trail was called the Ledges because you climbed up and down ledges, not being on cliff edges for almost the whole trail. You guys are giving me the full tour.
That's right, the whole tour.
What do we got ahead of us?
I think this is like the most technical obstacle on the trail just from the videos that I've watched. I just went and looked at it. It looks a little gnarly.
Yeah.
But it's one where they show where people sit on the rock and stick their legs out to keep the Jeeps from tipping into the rock.
Oh man. Well, I brought my legs and I brought his legs.
All right, let's go do this.
All right. About another foot if you can get him forward, then you'll clear it.
You're all right. This is coming down now.
Yeah.
Turn hard. Drive around it. Not gonna just drive out of it.
Still got just a skosh light on the back end there.
Start cutting it. Is that camera gonna survive?
I'm gonna go ahead and change it real quick. Yeah. Warm 'em up. There it is.
Leveled out on top.
There you go.
Try again. Back up. Want to see how high I can get the front end?
Straighten your front end out. Now back up a little bit. With it straight. Keep it straight. Right there is your bump spot. Keep your front end straight. Yeah.
Oh, that was a sick angle. Public
Nice. Easy right there, just kind of ease it up.
I think we're out of here now.
This must be where all that dirt went. Came down here. So now we know where the ledges is. We're gonna do our best to lead you guys through. Matt and I will be down there at Trail Hero. Come find us. Come run the ledges with us. Thank you to Matt's Off-Road Recovery for showing up, showing us where it is. Thanks to Paul with Fabrats. And now we may go even run on a recovery. What does that sound like?
Sounds fun.